Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard to Say Photo. In today's video I'm going to show you if we have any application available for our SOUNDCORE Select to as speaker. Yes, we do have the application which is called SOUNDCORE. As you can see, the application is exactly this one from Anker, with 10 million downloads plus as for 22nd of July 2025, and as you can see with the 100k reviews. If you want to know how to install this application on your Android phone and how to add your device to this app, check our channel because we have a video for that. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.